Tapping is an important part of your business. Taps have to perform well in all materials and cut perfectly every time. New floating tap holder technology, optimized for rigid tapping cycles, improves thread quality and tap life so you can reduce downtime caused by broken taps and scrapped parts. MicroFloat tap holders for rigid tapping feature technology that compensates for machine error and extends tap life by reducing the load on the tap. Tap loads are especially high when the spindle reverses direction. This is when breakage usually occurs. A sudden increase in load breaks bats and taps. This chart shows how the load on the tap increases when the spindle reverses direction. The MicroFloat tap system for rigid tapping cushions the blow. As you can see, MicroFloat technology greatly reduces the load on the tap, protecting the tap from breakage and reducing wear. Compared to an ER tap collet, MicroFloat reduces load by 500%. How is this accomplished? During entry, the axial float feature minimizes any ball screw errors and allows proper alignment with the pilot hole. Proper advance of the tap during entry is assured by 8 thousandths of compression. During reversal, 40 thousandths of tension reduces load on the tap to prevent premature wear and breakage. This case study example shows how a manufacturer was able to get 114 holes per tap before breakage occurred. Using the MicroFloat system increased their productivity to 451 tapped holes per tap. This is an increase of 295%. The MicroFloat system includes the quick change tap holder, extensions, end adapters to create gauge lengths up to 9 inches, so there's no need to purchase extended length tap holders. Coolant through is standard on all MicroFloat tap holders. MicroFloat is available for Cat 40, Cat 50, BT30, BT40, and HSK 63A spindles. Contact us to find out how MicroFloat tap holders can increase your tap life and reduce your scrap rates.